6 switched up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Get with it and get rolled over, man.
What up, YouTube? Back again with another one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Been a minute since we did a video with the 79, man. So we back, man. Hope you enjoyed that little footage right before pulling it out, man. I have been driving it. Just ain't really got no footage of it, man. So I figured it'd be a good time to get the footage, man. I need to watch it. I need to check out a few things, man. I was looking at my cylinders, man. Let me turn this down real quick. So yeah, man. Checking out this cylinder. Look at that cylinder. That thing is wet. She leaking good. Leaking cylinder. So you know what that means. Time to switch out cylinders. Guess that's gonna be our next mission. I don't know what's back there. I might have to order me 2 new ones and go from there, y'all. Don't know what's back there, so most likely probably some 10s or some 12s. But hey, man, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna take a moment right now, man, and we're gonna start cleaning everything up, man. I need to wipe down my pumps. Everything is dusty, nasty. So that's what we're gonna do, man. But y'all take a moment right now though, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit your post notification bell so you stay up to date on what we got going on. And share it as well, man. It's a beautiful Sunday, man. Happy Sunday fun day to y'all, man. And so we're gonna take this little bit of time, man, and get some stuff done, man. Let's do some little cleaning, maintenance, check my oil, just a few little things, man. It's your little to-do list, man. Know what's going on with your car, man. Maintenance is a part of this, man, so you definitely gotta stay on top of it. A lot of stuff you can prevent, man, if you take a moment and check your car out, man. So that's what we're gonna do, man. I did charge my batteries last weekend, man. I brought my charger home last weekend, so my batteries is topped off. So now we just need to I need to drop it down. I see that cylinder is leaking. We're gonna wipe that cylinder. Wipe our pumps, clean up the trunk a little bit, and then we're gonna check our fluids, make sure we still got some fluid in that thing, so we don't burn up no pump or nothing like that, man. So y'all keep it locked, man. I'm gonna turn you on time lapse. We're gonna get some things done, man. Keep it locked.
Why? B music.
sir, man. We back, man. We got it all cleaned up, bro. We got everything wiped down, cleaned out. Got the rim washed. Tire was dirty, man. It's just been sitting in there. I ain't cleaned it in a while, so I wasn't able to get the white wall as clean as I wanted to, man. But she looked way better. Armor all on the tire, man. You know what I'm saying? Look 10 times better, y'all. She clean, so I can pop the trunk. I got my fluids topped off. So when I pop my trunk, man, she don't look like just junk in the trunk, y'all. I want to keep it clean, man. Keep it, so when you pop your trunk, man, everything good, man. So I do see some other areas I want to address, man. I'm gonna get me some new heat shrink, man. This wire is pretty good too, man. It's some thick old wire, man, to be so 4 gauge. So got 220 Fahrenheit temperature it can hold up to. Say dry. I might need to look for some of this wire, man. That wire is decent. I ain't had no problem with this wire. Only thing I do want to address is this heat shrink stuff, man. And I don't know what happened over there. I didn't do that, so it's been like that since I had it. So I don't know. But yeah, man, we got it done. Tape over there, so we're gonna get that swapped out. Tire cleaned up, and my speaker box brushed off. I need to wipe the top of those down. Hold up real quick. Grab a rag real quick. So yeah, man, we got the speakers cleaned off. Had to get them dust off of there. Had to get that dust off there. So I think she came out good, man. She came out decent. Got it cleaned up. When I pop my trunk, it ain't just on together, man. It's looking decent. Taking care of your stuff, man. Didn't find no loose wires or anything, so everything looking good, man. Besides that rear cylinder, the left cylinder over there is leaking. I had it lifted up in the air a while ago, but hey, man, the saga continues, man. Next video gonna be us trying to get that cylinder changed out, man. I guess so. Maybe doing a little bit of cleaning of the undercarriage. I did get this car from Ohio, so it's got a little rust and a little salt on it. You know what I'm saying? So might start addressing that. Alright guys, man, we got limited battery, man. Battery died on me, man. But I wanted to get this video finished up, man. So we got it all cleaned up. Like I said, there's some more stuff that we're gonna address, the heat shrink or whatever, man. But she all clean, trunk ready to be popped whenever we roll up on somebody. You know what I'm saying? You know what it is. But I appreciate y'all for watching, man, though. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you stay up to date on what we got going on, man. And share it as well, bro. We'll catch you on the next one, man. We out.
Yeah, 2-6 switched up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Get with it to get rolled over, man.